Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss expansion. Exercise 4A. Just I'm going to continue the problems. Here we have the seventh one. If x plus y is equal to 7 by 2 and xy is equal to 5 by 2, find first sub question x minus y. Second we need to find x square minus y square. Solution: given x plus y is equal to 7 by 2, xy is equal to 5 by 2. To find x minus y, first we should know x square plus y square. Based on this we can find x minus y. So first I am going to find here x square plus y square by using the first equation, taking square on both sides. Both sides of equation 1. So when we take here x plus y whole square, 7 by 2 whole square. So when you apply here x plus y whole square, a plus b whole square formula, here we will get x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to, here the square it is going to be common for numerator and as well as for the denominator. So 7 square divided by 2 square will get x square plus y square plus 2 into xy value we know already, here it is 5 by 2. Just I am substituting here 5 by 2 is equal to 7 square it is 49 divided by 2 square it is 4. Now here this square, this 2 and 2 it is going to be get cancelled. Left over here x square plus y square is equal to 49 divided by 4. When you shift this 5 to the opposite side, so here it will become minus 5. So here if there is no denominator, the value it is 1. The LCM of 4 and 1 it is 4. Just I am going to multiply here 5 into 4 divided by 4, it is common now. So here we are going to get 49 minus 4 5s are 20 divided by 4. So 49 minus 20 it is 29 divided by 4. This is a value of x square plus y square. Next here we need to find x minus y. X minus y we need to find. So to find that, just I am going to take square here. When you apply x minus y whole square formula, x square plus y square minus 2xy. So we know very well xy value already they have given it as 5 by 2. We found x square plus y square. So x square plus y square value it is 29 divided by 4 minus 2 into xy value it is 5 by 2. Just I have substituted the values. So in this condition here we have minus, right? So we need to take LCM. So I am not going to cancel this 2 and this 2 here. Just 29 by 4 minus, here 5 2s are 10 divided by 2. So the LCM for 4 and 2 it is 4. So 29 minus 10 into 2. To get the denominator as 4, just I multiplied both numerator and denominator by 2. So I got here 10 into 2 divided by, now here also 4 and here also 4. So it will become the common denominator as 4. 29 minus 10 into 2, it is 20 divided by 4. So 29 minus 20, it is 9 divided by 4. So this is a value of x minus y whole square. But actually we need to find here x minus y, not x minus y whole square. Just I am shifting this square to the opposite side. When you shift this 2 to the opposite side, here it will become square root of 9 divided by 4, and here x minus y. So the square root, it is common for numerator and as well as for the denominator. So I can write root 9 divided by root 4 x minus y. So x minus y is equal to root 9 value, it is 3, root 4 it is 2. So we found here x minus y is equal to 3 by 2, and the given condition, it is x plus y is equal to 7 by 2. The second sub question, here we need to find x square minus y square. We know very well x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. This is the identity. So just I am going to substitute the values here. X plus y, the value it is 7 by 2, and x minus y, the value it is 3 by 2. So here the terms, it is not get cancelled. So just I am going to multiply here numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 7 3s are 21 divided by 2 2s are 4, or even you can write it as 5 4s are 20, remainder 1, 5 1 by 4 is the answer. Students, you need to keep in the mind, when you are taking square to the opposite side as a square root, you need to take plus or minus along with that. So when you take here plus or minus, the answer, it is going to be continue here plus or minus. So here x minus y value, it is going to be plus or minus 3 by 2. So here also it will carry plus or minus 21 by 4 plus or minus 5 1 by 4. So this is the final answer for x square minus y square is equal to plus or minus 21 by 4, or you can write it as plus or minus 5 into 1 by 4. So the next one here, eighth one, they have given if a minus b is equal to 4 and a plus b is equal to 6, find a square plus b square. The second sub question, we need to find ab value. By using identities we can find, or even you can find the value like this also. You consider here solution, given a minus b is equal to 4. This is the equation 1. A plus b is equal to 6. This is the equation 2. I am going to teach you two methods to find the values. The first method is this. This is the equation. Both I am adding here. Plus b and minus b, it will get cancelled. So the left over here 2a is equal to 4 plus 6, it is 10. A is equal to 10 by 2. We got a is equal to 5. Substituting, a is equal to 5 in equation 1. So if you substitute, what we will get here, a minus b is equal to 4. This is the equation 1 implies. So if you substitute, a is equal to 5 minus b is equal to 4. 5, when you shift this minus to the opposite side, here it will become plus. Here this plus, here it will become minus 4 is equal to plus b. So 5 minus 4 value, it is 1. So 1 is equal to b. So b value, here we got a is equal to 5. B we got the value, it is 1. We need to find here the first sub question, a square plus b square we need to find. So we know very well a value it is 5 square plus b value it is 1 square. 5 square value it is 25 plus 1. We got a square plus b square is equal to 26. Second one, sub question, ab we need to find. So here a value it is 5, b it is 1. So the value ab is equal to 5. 1 into 5, the value it is going to be 5. So this is the final answers for a square plus b square is equal to 26. AB value it is going to be 5.